In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zoho Books. Whether you're new to Zoho or just need a quick refresher, this guide will walk you through the initial setup and navigation of Zoho Books' key features in just a few minutes. So let's get started on simplifying your accounting tasks. First, open up your web browser and type in the URL zoho.com/books. This will take you directly to the Zoho Books homepage. This is your starting point where you'll find resources, pricing plans, and more about what Zoho Books offers. Once you're familiar with what's ahead, let's move on to the next step, signing in. At the top right hand corner of the screen, you'll see a button labeled Sign In. Click this button to proceed. If you already have a Zoho account, you can go ahead and enter your credentials here. If you're new to Zoho, you'll want to create an account. An added benefit of Zoho is the ability to link accounts, offering seamless access to all their applications with a single sign-on. After logging in, you will land on the Zoho Books home interface. This area is designed to provide a snapshot of your activities and quick access to core functionalities. Here you can manage various accounting tasks such as tracking expenses, invoicing customers, and generating reports. There's a user-friendly menu on the side, which will be your navigation tool around the application. The next destination is the dashboard. You can access this by selecting Dashboard from the menu. The dashboard is the control center for your financing activities. It provides you with visual summaries like graphs and charts displaying your financial status, revenue patterns, and expenses. Take some time to explore these features as they give valuable insights and help you make informed business decisions. Once you're familiar with the dashboard, it's time to set up your profile. Setting up your profile is crucial because it forms the foundation of your accounting data. On the top right corner, find your initials or profile icon. Click on it and you'll be able to edit your profile details. Here you can fill out necessary details about your business such as contact information, logo, and other relevant settings. This information ensures that your invoices, estimates, and other communications are professionally branded and complete. And there you have it. You've now taken the first key steps into the world of Zoho Books. With your profile set up and an understanding of the dashboard, you're ready to dive deeper and explore all that this powerful tool has to offer. These steps will not only help you get started, but make accounting a much easier component of your business management. Take your time to explore and get comfortable with each feature, and soon enough you'll be leveraging Zoho Books to its fullest potential. Thanks for tuning in, and happy accounting.